Are you searching for the best hand mixers? In this video, I'll show you my top 5 hand mixers that I tested this year. Number 5. Black Plus Decker Helix Performance Premium Hand. If you want a quick, easy, and affordable way to whip up fresh cream or meringue without paying for extra functions you'll never use, this mixer is perfect. It has an ergonomic design and nylon helix beaters that offer twice the surface area of typical wire beaters. The Black Plus Decker Helix mixer is lightweight, making it easy to hold. It has 5 speeds, allowing you to start slow and gradually increase the speed for whipping or beating. The Power Boost button gives a temporary increase in power to get through lumps, then returns to the original speed. The attachments are dishwasher safe, making cleaning easy. The mixer comes with 2 helix beaters, 2 dough hooks, 1 wire whisk, and a storage case. While it can be tricky to remove the attachments and it shakes a bit during use, it offers good power for its price. It comes in several fun colors, including tangerine, teal, lime green, purple, red, black, gray, and white. Number of speeds, 5. Attachments, 2 coil beaters, 2 dough hooks, 1 wire beater. Power, 250 watts. Weight, 3.26 pounds. What we like. Great color options. Snap-on storage case. Inexpensive. What we don't like. Difficult to remove attachments. Number 4. KitchenAid Ultra Power Hand Mixer. We understand that you've put effort into designing your kitchen, and you want everything to match. From your kitchen appliances to your silicone spatulas, there's a color theme you want to keep. KitchenAid offers all the colorful appliances you need that match several other small machines they provide. The KitchenAid Ultra Power 5-speed hand mixer comes in 13 different color options to suit your style, although at a higher price. This model isn't as versatile or powerful as other KitchenAid models, but comes with a set of wire beater attachments. 5 speed settings allow you to go from gentle mixing to rapid whipping with just a few clicks. If your mixer has any subjects, KitchenAid proposes a 1-year hassle-free replacement warranty. We wish it included more attachments and a storage case, but this hand mixer is sturdy enough to store as it is. Number of speeds, 5. Attachments, 2 beaters. Power, 145 watts. Weight, 2 pounds. What we like. Easy to match with a color scheme. Compact design. Dishwasher safe attachments. What we don't like. No storage case. Number 3. Breville Handy Mix Scraper. Appliances are getting more brilliant, and this hand mixer is no special case. It recognizes the connection you're utilizing and alters the speed appropriately. With 9 speeds, you can start slow and increase the speed as needed. The double whisk design makes whipping eggs very easy. The scrubber blenders are coated, so you can beat right against the side of the bowl with less noise. There's a count-up timer to track the mixing time for recipes that need a specific length of mixing. A mixing light helps you see what's in the bowl, and a power boost button lets you temporarily increase the speed to mix through lumps. The pause button allows you to stop mixing briefly to add ingredients. While this mixer has many great features, it is one of the heaviest at 4 pounds. All the parts store in a case that clips onto the foot of the blender, and the rope tucks in there too. Number of speeds, 9. Attachments, 2 blenders, 2 whisks, 2 batter hooks. Power, 240 watts. Weight, 4 pounds. What we like. Easy one-handed speed dial and connection discharge. Useful timer feature. Smart torque adjustment. What we don't like. Heavy. Number 2. Braun Multimix 5 Hand Mixer. The Braun Multimix 5 is a handy hand mixer with 9 speed options. It comes with 2 multi-whisk beaters designed to whip, mix, and beat, plus 2 dough hooks. This mixer did great in our egg white whipping and cookie dough tests, making it perfect for both delicate foods and heavy baked goods. The rotating dial makes it easy to switch between mixing flour into batter and folding nuts into dough. Our specialists found the blades easy to clean because their tines are wider and more feast out than typical beaters. Plus, all attachments are dishwasher safe. We liked the storage pouch that keeps everything together. However, note that the mixer only comes in black. Weight, 2.2 pounds. Dimensions, 8.3 inches by 3 inches by 8.7 inches. Number of speed settings, 9. Power, 350 watts. Included attachments, multi-use whisks and dough hooks. Storage, drawstring bag. Pros. Works well for all tasks. Attachments are dishwasher safe. Comes with a convenient storage pouch. Includes dough hooks. Cons. Only available in black. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. Hamilton Beach hand mixers have always done well in our tests, so it's no surprise this 6-speed hand mixer also performed well. It whipped up heavy cream easily and made smooth cake batter. The handle was comfortable, but the blender felt a bit heavier than a few others we've tested. It was simple to utilize with a straightforward flip switch that flips between speeds. The mixer has 6 speed settings and a quick burst button for extra power to handle tough ingredients like firm cream cheese. Our pros liked the bowl rest feature, which lets you rest the back of the mixer on the edge of the bowl. This keeps the beaters in the bowl and prevents drips on the counter when you need to take a break. Another handy feature is the snap-on case to store the 2 beaters, whisk, and cord neatly with the mixer. We were too odd with the Hamilton Shoreline Proficient Cordless Electric Hand Mixer. It eliminates the annoying cord while you mix. It was louder than other hand mixers, but did well in our tests, making smooth cake batter and fluffy whipped cream. Weight, 2.86 pounds. Dimensions, 5.7 inches by 8.3 inches by 9.2 inches. Number of speed settings, 6. Power, 250 watts. Included attachments, beaters and a whisk. Storage, snap-on case. Pros. Mix soft whipped cream and smooth cake player. Quick burst, button for tough ingredients. Snap-on compartment for tidy storage. Cons. Feels heavier than some others we've tested.